please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Narrated Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said the signs of a hypocrite are three. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. Whenever he promises, he always breaks it. If you trust him, he breaks your trust. This narration is found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2749. A hypocrite is someone who says one thing, but acts in a different way. Never act like this, as Allah, the Exalted, does not like hypocrites. Lying is a sin, even if it's small, or a joke. A Muslim must always tell the truth. Remember, lying leads to hell, while honesty leads to paradise. Keeping our promises is very important. Allah, the Exalted, will ask us about our promises. It is important to keep them with all people. It doesn't matter if they're Muslim or not. We should never fulfill a bad promise, only fulfill good promises. Muslims are not allowed to break any trusts. For example, if someone tells you a secret, then you need to keep it a secret, and not tell others. Never break any trusts with anyone, even if it's small. The one who breaks small trusts will eventually break big trusts. And this is a serious issue in Islam.